Hey there! Welcome to this video on creating a tabletop houseplant display. Today we'll be using this antique style garden table to showcase an indoor garden arrangement of 16 plants. I've been growing these plants in Germany for years, so I know they're perfect for indoor growing in European climates. They are all easy to care of and none of them are high maintenance drama queens like Alocasia or Marantha. So let's get started and meet our first plant. This Philodendron Brasil, with its unique variegated leaves and easygoing nature, is a perfect choice for plant lovers of all levels. While the Tradescantia zebrina may not be everyone's cup of tea, its deep purple undersides and vibrant silver striped leaves, cascading growth habit make it an ideal choice for a trailing accent to any tabletop display. Next we have Begonia candy stripes. This lovely plant with its delicate pink and white striped leaves is perfect for adding a touch of romance and whimsy to any indoor garden, and its compact size makes it a great choice for smaller spaces. Next we have a beautiful hybrid orchid that combines the stunning features of its two parent species. The Paphiopedilum is a great choice if you are looking for an orchid with relatively small leaves and large, showy flowers. Syngonium wendlandii is a plant known for its attractive foliage. The arrow-shaped leaves are velvety to touch. Although Syngonium wendlandii is a climbing plant, it can also be kept compact. I prefer to keep it small and have planted 3 young plants in a 9 cm pot, and they do not require any support for a long time. This African violet variety is a standard leaf chimera, which means that its leaves are composed of 2 distinct types of tissues with different genetic makeups. The plant's leaves are variegated with a stunning combination of dark green and silvery colors, making it a showstopper even when it's not in bloom. And there is my pot of gold. It's actually a rare variegated Hoya plant, highly prized by collectors for its stunning golden yellow leaves with a glossy texture and waxy finish. What makes this plant interesting is its unique foliage that is covered with silvery white dots that resemble polka dots. Silver spots on the leaves reflect more light than the green areas, which can help to protect the plant from excess sun exposure and heat. I have presented you with 8 plants so far, and in the next part I will add 8 more plants to the table. Did you enjoy the first part? If so, please consider subscribing to receive updates and more content like this in the future. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful.